Welcome to your virtual tour from Senter Realtors. Abilene's locally owned and operated real estate experts for over 60 years. Corporate retreat or venue location. 60 acres of land with multiple buildings. 6,000 square foot main event center building, 720 square foot guest cabin, 610 square foot cabin or workshop, 1,992 square foot carport, of which 720 square feet is an enclosed storage area. Entire facility is heated and cooled, on co-op water, and extensive septic system. Main building features catering kitchen and chef line. There are outdoor fire pits, dance floor, bandstand, grill, storage, and more. This facility truly offers more than words can describe. Approximately $45,000 of personal property to remain. Seasonal decorations.